there's a lot of repetition in what we produce for our clients. And there's manual tasks and there's some administrative overhead. And that's the part that we're targeting. We bring in the UiPath platform to build the solution, but you have to start with a good process. My name is Judy Arago. I am the director of the Digital Data Solutions team. I work at Buchanan. We have 18 offices, about 480 attorneys and government relations professionals. Law firms are very process-driven. They're also document-centric. And the UiPath technology ties very nicely into process and document-centric. So the business problem that we tackled was a part of the single plaintiff litigation process, which was the review of the complaint that the client brings to us and the development of the response document that looks at the allegations in the complaint and then comes up with a response to each of the allegations. The more junior attorneys were yielding inconsistent results, which meant the senior attorneys had to now step in, and it took time away from our senior attorneys to work on case strategy. And that's really where we want to focus our energies. We were able to shave down that part of the full single plaintiff litigation process from about 6 hours, depending on the iterations back and forth. We were able to shave that down to about 20 minutes. So that's where we're seeing a lot of the time savings, as well as the fact that the actual solution is building the response document with the answers to the allegations that are in the complaint correctly formatted for the jurisdictions for this client. We support about 91 jurisdictions, and document formatting is a big part of the time that it takes to develop those documents. And UiPath very easily integrates with our existing solutions. We were able to very quickly realize how powerful that tool was. It met all of our needs. It had a very easy to use platform. It had the interoperability to connect with our other systems that we rely on. Our developers were especially impressed with it. We are now sitting on so many use cases that now we have to stand back and assess, which ones do we want to go with next? And our attorneys are extremely happy, and we like happy attorneys. We like happy lawyers.